The four buttons on the receiver: switch button, back button, set button, up and down option buttons. Pocket clip. Push out the TX upwards in the direction indicated by the arrow. Built-in mic. Contacts for charging and file transmission. Switch button. Recording button. 3-point film monitoring port. Volume control button only for monitor. Pocket clip. Long press the switch button on the front of the transmitter. Transmitter A, Transmitter B, Receiver, Output and USB port, Left channel, Right channel, Setting, Monitor. Short press the Set button for setting and short the Up and Down option buttons for option menu. Push out the TX upwards. The TX will automatically powers on and connected. Blue-green indicator on TX corresponds to the BTX shown on the RX screen. Select a TX and short press SET to enter a setting. Mute the storage left for a TX. Short press the switch button, back button to go back to the home page. Select left channel and short press SET to enter L setting. BTX and R channel are the same as shown. The mic works. Long press the power button on the RX to switch on off. Gain 加1到加15。Manual pairing. Method 1. After the RX turns on, enter the setting panel for pairing without taking out the transmitter. Method 2. Take out the TX and reset it first. Enter the setting panel for when the receiver powers on. File transfer. Connect the 3.5 out output port of the RX to the output of equipment such as camera filters. TRS cable. With TRS cable, L channel, a TX, BTX, A加, BTX, ARCs, R channel, a TX, BTX, A加, BTX, ARCs. Each channel can be set to output separately. When L, R channel set as same, the TX, ARCs enter both channels simultaneously. The setting of USB can only for the output setting of USB, not other output port. USB setting, output 加 charge only charge, output to phone, read the data of RTX, read the data of LTX. The monitor on the RX affect the output of monitor port only. Three-point film cable is for monitoring. Check the remaining recording time of the corresponding TX. Plug the TX into the RX so that you can read the data. Plug in Type-C cable and USB adapter. Adjust the USB output port to the corresponding TX. And then connect to the computer. The corresponding folder will appear on the computer. The USB can also be set as charging instead of output. Connect the RX and phone with Type-C cable. Set the USB as data output加 charge. And can output to other device with corresponding accessory. Long press the recording button on the side of the TX until the red light on. Long press the recording button until the red light turns off. The monitor port of TX only for monitoring.